Hey, what's up guys? Ant here, and today we are going to be selecting a subject in Photoshop. Okay. Only thing we have to do, open up Photoshop and pull up a layer here. I have this layer. Now there's several ways that we're going to go through how to do this, but just understand this. Photoshop has an easier time selecting subjects from backgrounds that are less distracting. Like this here, this has a plain background and that allows Photoshop to really work. Okay, so let's focus on a few tools today. So what we're going to do is let's head over here to our quick selection tool. And this is one of the many ways that we can select a subject here. Okay, let's add to that and get everything in. Okay, so let's say you go too far out like so. What you would do is zoom in a little bit, hit Alt, and let's just drag over the spot that we want to subtract. So that right there is one way we can do it. Now let's hide this context bar right here. Now what we do here, we have a couple options. What we can do if we want it to be destructive is we can go ahead and head on up to select, hit inverse, and instead of the subject being selected, now the background is selected. And if we wanted to do it destructively, what we can do is just hit backspace and that is gone. However, it's gone forever. But we don't want to do that, so hit Control Z. So now the non-destructive way to do that is to head on over here down to our layer mask and click on layer mask. Now you see how this took out the subject. So what we'll do here is let's click on the layer mask and hit Control I, and that inverts it. So now we have it back. There it is. Okay, let's undo those steps there. Control D to deselect. Now what we'll do is let's head up to Window and head down to Contextual Task Bar, and let's turn that back on like so. Now what we can do is we can just hit Select Subject. And Photoshop will do the mapping for us and select our subject. Okay. And likewise, we can head over here to our layer mask and click on layer mask, and that is gone. That's it. That's all we have to do. Now, of course, you can take and place a background on like so. Let's just do head down to our adjustment layers here. Let's pull up solid color for our background, and let's just choose any color right now. Okay. Drop that below this layer here. Not bad. Now, if we wanted to make this background the color of our subject here, only thing we have to do, let's double click on our solid color here, pull up the eyedropper tool and click on like so. Match the background perfectly. Likewise, we can go up here to her hair color and click on like so. Any way it goes, it looks good. If we want a kind of a pinkish background, choose part from her lips. Click OK and we're done. I think that'll do it. So until next time, I'll see you in the next video.